Imagine standing in a space that doesn't just house you, but actually breathes with you, a place where the very walls feel like they've been pulled from the deep, quiet history of the land beneath your feet. We've all seen the farmhouse look replicated in glossy catalogues with white shiplap and factory-made furniture, but something is often missing: the pulse, the grit, and the honest connection to nature. Today, we're moving beyond the surface-level aesthetic to explore how rammed earth walls and raw cork flooring restore true farmhouse soul to any space, shifting our focus from mere decoration to the profound philosophy of inside design. This journey isn't just about renovation, it's about a return to the elemental. We are diving deep into the architectural alchemy of rammed earth walls, where layers of sediment are compressed into a structural masterpiece that serves as both a thermal anchor and a living tapestry of texture. By pairing this rugged verticality with the silent, cushioned warmth of raw cork flooring, we aren't just building a room, we are crafting a sensory sanctuary. This is the intersection where ancient building techniques meet modern well-being, proving that the most sophisticated spaces are often the ones most closely tied to the earth. In this episode of Hambelung Studio, we're stripping away the synthetic noise of modern construction to reveal how these raw materials redefine farmhouse decor. We'll show you how the weight of the earth and the lightness of cork work in tandem to regulate your home's climate, silence the chaos of the outside world, and provide a grounding foundation for your daily life. Prepare to see your living space not as a collection of objects, but as a restorative environment designed to heal and inspire. The heart of the hearth. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we aren't just decorating, we are excavating the spirit of home. To truly understand inside design, we have to look past the surface and feel the weight of the materials surrounding us. We're starting in the living room, where we're stripping away the synthetic to make way for rammed earth walls. Imagine the layers of sedimentary history literally supporting your space. To achieve this farmhouse soul, we compact damp earth into structural forms, creating a variegated, velvet-like texture that breathes with the seasons. It's a tactile narrative of the land itself. We pair this rugged verticality with a hushed, grounding presence of raw cork flooring. It's soft underfoot, naturally acoustic, and brings a honey-hued warmth that balances the coolness of the earth. This isn't just a room, it's a sanctuary built from the ground up, designed to restore your equilibrium. A harvest of texture. In the kitchen and dining area, the farmhouse aesthetic evolves into something deeply functional yet poetically raw. We often think of kitchens as cold, clinical spaces of steel and stone, but through the lens of inside design, we prioritize sensory restoration. By extending the rammed earth walls into the dining alcove, we create a thermal mass that regulates temperature while offering a stunning, organic backdrop for a reclaimed wood table. The raw cork flooring serves a dual purpose here. Its natural elasticity is a dream for those long hours of meal prep, and its antimicrobial properties keep the space healthy. This design style focuses on how to make a space feel like a living organism, where the scent of herbs meets the earthy aroma of natural clay, turning every meal into a grounded, communal ritual. The softest silence. The bedroom is where how rammed earth walls and raw cork flooring restore true farmhouse soul to any space becomes a literal lullaby. Here, the inside design philosophy shifts toward absolute acoustic purity. Rammed earth acts as a massive sound barrier, shielding you from the chaotic hum of the outside world, while the raw cork flooring absorbs the sound of every footfall, ensuring the room remains a vault of silence. To master this farmhouse look, we leave the earth walls exposed to showcase their natural striations, illuminated by soft, low-angle lighting. The result is a room that feels carved out of the earth itself, a primitive yet sophisticated den that prioritizes your rest above all else. An elemental spa. We often forget that the farmhouse soul is rooted in the elements: earth, water, and air. In the bathroom, we challenge the how to make conventions by replacing cold tile with the warmth of raw cork flooring. Cork is naturally water-resistant and slip-proof, providing a soft, warm landing for your feet that stone simply cannot match. When mirrored against a feature wall of rammed earth, the bathroom transforms into an elemental spa. This approach to inside design focuses on the humidity-regulating properties of the earth walls, which help manage the atmosphere of the room naturally. It's a space that feels ancient and timeless, turning your morning routine into a grounding ceremony. The seamless threshold. Finally, we move to the transition spaces, the mudrooms, sunrooms, and the garden threshold. This is where the farmhouse soul bleeds into the landscape. By using rammed earth for exterior to interior partitions, we blur the lines between the built environment and nature. The raw cork flooring extends into these in-between spaces, acting as a natural insulator and a visual bridge to the mulch and soil of the garden. In these areas, inside design is about the flow of energy. It's about creating a home that doesn't just sit on the land but is part of it. Whether it's a quiet reading nook or a transitional entry, these materials remind us that a true home is a reflection of the earth beneath our feet. As we've seen today, restoring the true farmhouse soul isn't about following a trend. It's about embracing a material honesty that resonates deep within us. By integrating rammed earth walls and raw cork flooring, you've witnessed how inside design can transform a standard floor plan into a breathing, tactile refuge that honors both the planet and your personal peace. These aren't just design choices, they are a commitment to a way of living that is grounded, intentional, and timelessly beautiful. If you're ready to break away from the conventional and start building a home that reflects your true mission, make sure you become a part of our growing community here at Biophilic Studio. Hit that subscribe button to join our journey through architectural restoration and sustainable design. Give this video a like if it sparked a new idea for your own space, and share it with a fellow creator who believes in the power of raw materials. Thank you for watching, and remember, the most beautiful designs are the ones that start from the ground up. How would you incorporate these raw, earthy materials into your current living space to improve your sensory experience?